What's up guys, Tech Cave here with a Ryzen 5 gaming PC build. Ryzen 5 recently released like a couple of hours ago. This is the new Ryzen 5 lineup. I'm doing this build ahead of time, so if you guys are thinking about getting the Ryzen 5 lineup and you're on a budget, then you guys can check this build out. But without wasting any more time, let's get straight into this video with the case. The case I want is the Vivo ATX Mid Tower case. This is a $35 case. There's nothing really special about this case. There is no side panel window. I'm going towards more performance than the look. For the power supply, I want the EVGA 500B1 80+ bronze certified power supply. This is currently going for $47, and this power supply will be enough to power all the components in this build. For the motherboard, I want the Asus Prime B350+. This is the AMD RYZEN AM4 motherboard with DDR4 support. This is currently going for $100, and this will be in stock March 20th. So if you guys do want to pick this up, this is a really good budget and AM4 motherboard. Pairing the motherboard, I went with the Ryzen 5 1500X processor. This is currently going for $220. The base clock is clocked at 3.5 GHz, and it has a boost clock of 3.7 GHz. It comes included with the AMD RYZEN cooler, and it has a 65 watt TDP. April 11th it will be on sale, so if you guys do want to pick one up, make sure you're on the website of wherever you guys gonna buy from, like Amazon or Newegg. Beyond that site, for RAM, I want the Crucial Ballistic Sport LT 8GB kit, two 4GB sticks clocked at 2400 MHz. These are DDR4 RAM. These are currently going for $60. For storage, I want the Seagate Barracuda 1TB hard drive. This is currently going for $50. This hard drive will do. I didn't go with an SSD since this was a budget build. For the graphics card, I want the XFX Radeon RX 480 8GB graphics card. This graphics card is currently going for $220, but there is a $20 mail-in rebate taking the price down to $200, which is an amazing deal. This gaming PC totals up to be around $492. Again, if you guys do want the Ryzen 5 1500X processor, be on that site April 11th, wherever you guys are buying from, whether it's Newegg, Micro Center, or even Amazon. If you want to buy any of the products that I mentioned in this video, make sure to check the description box below. All the products will be linked down there. If you guys enjoyed, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, follow me on Twitter for the latest updates, bookmark my Amazon affiliate link, and use it when you buy stuff, and I will see you all in the next video.